I can be very short about multitasking. Don't do it. Avoid it. Only do it when you have a very low attention requiring task. So yes, you can multitask if the other task that you're doing requires no attention at all or very low. So this starts with breathing, things you do automatically, perhaps walking or perhaps driving a car or doing the dishes or things that you can do simultaneously. However, you often overestimate your own capabilities. So me mentioning doing the dishes, you should do the dishes and the dishes only. Yes, you can definitely listen to a podcast, but you will enjoy less of that particular podcast as well as less of doing the dishes. So it's a good case of he who catches or he who's chasing two rabbits catches none. Keep that in the back of your mind. Am I chasing two rabbits, or is one rabbit like very big and slow and that's an easy one, and the fast one I can grab with the big fat rabbit under my arm? If that's a yes, then definitely chase them. Most likely it's a no. You're overestimating your own speed or you're underestimating the load of one rabbit and the speed of the other. So yeah, sorry for that analogy. Just watch the YouTube video explaining why you should not multitask, because it depletes your mental juices, so to say. Reduce switches. Don't switch from task A to task B to task A as well. Also a form of multitasking. So yeah, that's a wrap.